A very good morning, students. It's maths time, and as you all know, we are doing addition in maths. Today, we will learn about how to do statement sums. As you can see on the paper, I have written few statements here. This is your exercise 5 in your book. Statement sums means we will be given with the wordings, with the statements, and then we need to perform addition on the given numbers. So, let's discuss how we are going to do it. As you can read the first one, Tina had 27 grapes in her tiffin box and Seema had 44 grapes in her tiffin box. How many grapes are there in all? When they are asking you how many grapes are there in all means they are asking us to calculate the total grapes, and for finding the total of something we always perform addition. Suppose I ask you that in the previous test you got 9 marks out of 10 and in today's test you have got 10 marks. So how much is the total of your marks? So what you are going to do in your mind is you will add the total of your both the marks. 9 plus 10 will give you 19. So we are going to add the numbers whenever we need to calculate the total in something. In all, total, whenever we read the words like this, we will be adding it. In your book, you are provided with the spaces like this. In these columns, tens and ones are written there. So what we need to do is, you will be doing these sums in your notebook and in books both. What you need to do in your books is, you will be noting down the figures given to you. In the first line it's given Tina had 27 grapes. So this 27 I have written here, and then 44 I have written here, and I need to add them. Plus sign is already there. So simply keeping 7 in mind and 4 blocks moving further will give you 11, and 1 will be carried over, and then keeping 4 in mind again and moving 3 blocks further, 2 for this and 1 for carry over. 4 after 4 you will start moving forward, 5, 6 and 7. So addition you are very much clear now, right? How to add the numbers you are clear with it. So what I'm going to do for you is I will simply explain you how do you write them in the columns this ways, and then you need to add them. This is the way you will be doing these sums in your book. Let me read the next for you. Ram climbed 61 steps to his house. He then took 19 more steps to his room. How many steps did he take in all? That means you need to take the two numbers given to you, that is 61 and 19. Here I have written 61 and then 19, and simply I will be adding it. And while adding it, you need to be careful either it is of carry or not. Fine. So I'm also reading the next one for you. Tia had rupees 35 in her purse. Pia had rupees 64 in her purse. How much money did they have? That means we need to add both of them. Both of them were having money and we need to add the total amount of money they had. So simply I have written 35 and 64 in the columns here, and then I'm going to add them. This is the way of doing in your books. That means simply you are noting down the figures in the space provided and then you are adding them. But while doing in the notebooks, you also need to write the statements. And how do we write the statements? Just by reading the first line, Tina had 27 grapes. So I have written here, Tina had grapes. How many grapes Tina had? 27. So I have written 27 here, equal to sign I have put. Then Seema had grapes. It is in the next line. So how much grapes Seema had? 44. Then third line we always use as total grapes in all. In the third line we are going to add them. So always we write total, in all, such kind of words. Here I will be writing TO, and then simply I will be adding as I have done in the book as well. So what you need to do is you need to read the statement carefully and then write. Look at the second one now. Ram climbed 61 steps. So I have written here Ram climbed steps equals to 61. More steps. In the second line you can find this word more steps. So I have written more steps. Yeah, more steps he took, we can write. More steps he took. That is 19. Total steps he takes. Total steps he takes. So we are going to add them. So this is the way of writing in your notebooks. You will be writing with the statements in your notebook, and in book you just need to write in the columns, and the space provided you will be writing and then add them. These are the statement sums. Try to do, practice them. If you find any query, do ask me personally.